Welcome back, children, once again. This time we'll be seeing the first part of Chapter 7, Introduction to Programming. Today we'll be discussing two things. They are command and algorithm. What is a command? When you type text in MS Word, it is displayed on the monitor. The keyboard gives instruction to the computer to display the text on the screen. These instructions are called commands. When you type something with your keyboard, you can see it on the monitor, right? It does not happen automatically. Some instructions are given to the computer to display it. These instructions are called commands. Hence, a command is an instruction given to the computer to perform a certain task. It is a set of rules or instructions given to a computer to perform a certain task or to do a certain task. Different types of commands. Special words. The cd or change directory command in MS-DOS. Function keys. F1 to F12 keys of keyboard. The function keys F1 to F12 of the keyboard is used for different functions. It does the work directly. Menu. Various menu in application such as file menu, right click menu. Buttons or icons. Close, maximize or minimize button on an application. All these are acting on commands. Computer program. A set of logically arranged commands is called a computer program. When you are arranging commands in a logical way, it is called a computer program. The computer performs all functions with the help of computer programs. All the functions of the computer are done with the help of these programs. A program receives input from the user, processes the input based on the commands and provides the output. When you give input to the computer or when the user gives an input to the computer, the program will receive it and process the input based on the commands given and gives you the output. Some examples of computer programs are web browsers, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS Paint, Notepad, etc. These are examples of computer programs. When you type www.google.com in the address bar of the web browser, it opens the Google page, right? The text is the input of the program. That is www.google.com is text that you enter, which is processed by the browser to show the Google page as the output. The output will be the Google page. Computer program. All commands in a program are written in a computer language. Computer language is a formal language designed to communicate with the computer. It is a formal language to communicate with the computer. Similar to the language you speak, a computer language also has a set of rules. This set of rules is called syntax. You cannot write anything that you like and the computer will understand. There are a set of rules in which you have to write. These rules are called syntax. Each computer language has a different syntax. All languages have different syntax. A computer understands only binary language. We have studied this from a very lower class itself. The language understood by the computer is the binary language. It consists of zeros and ones. This means the information received from the user is represented as zeros and ones or the binary format before processing. So, any information received from the user will be converted into zeros and ones for the computer to understand. When your teacher asks you to solve a problem in your math class, you first try to understand the problem and then follow procedure to solve it. When your maths teacher asks you to solve a problem in your maths class, what do? You first try to understand what the problem is and then you follow a particular set of procedures to solve it. Similarly, to solve problems on a computer, you need to understand the nature of the problem and follow a well-defined procedure. Here also, you have to understand the problem and follow a well-defined procedure. This procedure is called an algorithm. An algorithm is a step-by-step procedure for performing a particular task. It is a step-by-step procedure to perform a particular task. It is written in a simple language so that everyone can understand the steps. It can be used for any computer language. It is a simple language that can be understood by anyone, and it is written in steps. An algorithm can be represented in two ways. They are pseudocode and flowchart. Let me repeat one more time. Pseudocode and flowchart. Pseudocode. A pseudocode represents the algorithm in a descriptive manner. It represents your algorithm in a descriptive way or in a detailed way. It is a good idea to solve a problem in a simple way before you write the program. It is always easy for you if you write down the steps one by one to understand how the process takes place. It makes creating programs easier. It helps you to create the program in an easy way. A pseudocode uses keywords to describe the steps. It uses special words or keywords to describe the steps. Now let's see an example for pseudocode. Pseudocode to accept two numbers and display the two numbers and their sum. This program or these steps are basically used to add any two given numbers, to display those two numbers and give you the result after doing the process. That is, add the two numbers and give you the result. So what you first do is, you have to accept first number A. A represents any number. You can give any number as input. So accept first number A. Accept second number B. The second number, you can put any number you like into B. Add A and B. You're trying to add two numbers. So you have to add A and B together. Whatever number in A is there and whatever number in B is there, it will be added together. For example, if we give A as 2 and B as 3, when you give add A plus B, what will happen? 2 plus 3 will happen, right? Then print A, B. Can you see a separation between that? Print A, B means you need to see the numbers which you are adding. So 2 is A and 3 is B. You will get the numbers 2 and 3 displayed there. Then the last step is print A plus B. You need to show the result after processing. So you have given the first number A as 2 and second number B as 3. So print A plus B will give you the answer as 5. With this, we come to the end of today's presentation. Please go through these things, especially the pseudocode part, because the next part is a continuation of this. Thank you.